In Islam, the concept of the soul holds great significance, representing the essence of an individual's existence and their spiritual connection with the divine. The Quran provides profound insights into the nature of the soul and its journey. The Quran speaks extensively about the soul, using various terms such as nafs and ruh. These terms refer to the inner self, the life force within every human being that connects them to Allah and determines their spiritual state. The Quran teaches us that Allah is the creator of the soul and has breathed His spirit into every human being. In Surah As-Sajdah 32:9, Allah says, "Then He proportioned him and breathed into him from His created soul and made for you hearing and vision and hearts." Furthermore, the Quran emphasizes the eternal nature of the soul and its accountability in the hereafter. In Surah Al-Isra 17:85, Allah says, "And they ask you, O Muhammad, about the soul. Say, the soul is of the affair of my Lord, and mankind have not been given of knowledge except a little." According to Islamic belief, the soul embarks on a spiritual journey from the earthly realm to the realm of the hereafter upon death. It undergoes a process of transition and evaluation, accounting for its actions and intentions in this worldly life. In Surah Al-Waqi'ah, the Quran describes the different destinations for souls based on their righteousness or wrongdoing. Allah says, "Then it is for example, Allah's job to call them to account." The concept of the soul in Islam teaches us about the sacred nature of our existence, the importance of nurturing our spiritual well-being, and the accountability we have for our actions. It is through understanding and nurturing our souls that we seek closeness to Allah and strive for eternal bliss in the hereafter. Subscribe us on YouTube. Educate yourself with Islamic knowledge. Just Urdu English Quran translations available on our page.